Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel One Crazy Introvert. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe for more food, travel and informative content. So I'm back with another video today, but for a change it's not a travel vlog, it's a food related. 2 weeks back I tried India's most famous chaat, Masalapuri recipe at home. It turned out to be really good, so I thought why not share with all of you. So here's a video clip which you can watch. Preparing masala puri can be split into two parts, preparing the puri and preparing the masala. For the puri we need fine semolina. I didn't have it handy, so I took the semolina that was available at home and pulsed it twice in the mixer. To this now I'm adding little bit of maida, little bit of oil and water, and prepare a dough in the same consistency as that of the chapati dough. Keep the dough aside for some time. Now in a cooker add soaked peas and potato. I have soaked the peas overnight. Minimum you have to soak it for 8 hours. Here adding potato is optional. I am adding it because I want the curry to be in a gravy like consistency. Now add some water to this and boil it until you get 2 or 3 whistles. Now let's prepare the masala. For this we need 1 tomato, 1 onion, Now we add few green chilies. You can add it as per your taste. Then few coriander leaves, garam masala, jeera, ginger garlic paste, add some water and blend it in the mixer. By now the cooker would have cooled down, so we can smash the peas and the potato which we had boiled. After smashing, add the masala which you blended. To this add some turmeric powder, chaat masala and salt. You can add water as per required consistency and let this boil for some time. Now let's prepare the puri. For this, roll the dough which we prepared earlier and then cut them into small circles. And deep fry these in oil until they puff like puri. Now we have prepared both masala and puri, so it's time to serve. You can serve it in plate or bowl as per your wish. Add some puris and smash them. Now add some save. I didn't have save, so I am adding whatever mixture was available at home. To this add some chopped onions. You can sprinkle some chopped tomatoes. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Here I am adding it directly to the masala. Now add this masala to the puri mixture which you prepared. India's most famous street chaat, Masalapuri, is now ready to eat. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you happen to try this recipe, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Consider subscribing to my channel for more food and travel related content and also more of informative content. See you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye bye.